Now let us see how to add a placemark in Google Earth Pro. So select the area where you want to add a placemark. Since we want to add a placemark in Nagpur, we will type here Nagpur. Suppose we want to give a placemark to this road, so we'll place over here. Name the placemark. We may give the name as New Highway. You can see the latitude and the longitude of the placemark. As you change the placemark, the latitude and the longitude will also change. You can change the style and color of the placemark. Here there is the label color. You can change. You can change the icon color. You can scale the icon. You can change the icon from here. You can add a link as a description over here. You can add a web image as a description over here. You can add a local image in this description. Suppose we want to add more placemark, then again go to add placemark option. Suppose we want to name this house as our new home. Change the icon. You can change the label color. You can scale it. Click here OK. So the new placemark has been added. So this is how you can add a new placemark in Google Earth Pro. Thank you.